Intel has been forced to admit that it is delaying the rollout of its 7-nanometer CPUs by a further 6 months, which means Intel is now a full 12 months behind the company's original target for rolling out the 7-nanometer process. Quoting Tom's Hardware, on the earnings call, Intel CEO Bob Swan said the company had identified a defect mode in its 7-nanometer process that caused yield degradation issues. As a result, Intel has invested in contingency plans, which Swan later defined as including using third-party foundries. The company will also use external third-party foundries for its forthcoming 7-nanometer Ponte Vecchio GPUs, the company's first graphics chips. Ponte Vecchio comes as a chipset-based design, and Swan clarified that production of some of the chiplets, or tiles, will be outsourced to third parties. Swan noted the GPUs will come in late 2021 or early 2022, portending a delay beyond the original schedule for a 2021 launch in the exascale Aurora supercomputer. Intel's first 7-nanometer server CPUs, known as Granite Rapids, will arrive in 2023, which is later than listed in earlier roadmaps that projected a launch in 2022. That timeline is concerning in the face of AMD's continued execution with its EPYC data center chips. AMD's roadmaps outline its 5-nanometer Genoa processors coming to market before the end of 2022. Swan also said that Intel's first 7-nanometer processors will debut for the client market, meaning chips targeting either desktop PCs or laptops. Intel's first 10-nanometer desktop CPUs, Alder Lake, will arrive in the second half of 2021. For perspective, rival foundry TSMC plans to be on the 3-nanometer node in the same timeframe as Intel's new schedule for 7 nanometers, end quote. Somewhere on some internal Apple message board, lots of folks are posting the Michael Jackson eating popcorn animated GIF today.